Hello, it's Gem Games, and today we're going to start creating the animation blueprint. So yeah, let's get started. First, let's go to the blueprints and to the PP first person character. And I actually just want to go to the character movement and change this value to 500, compile and save. Now I'll close this. I go to the animations. I remove the AR for idle animation. You don't have to do that, but yeah. Now you have to go to the link from the description if you want to download these animations that I created for you guys. And you also create your own animations or use any animations that you want. But yeah, when you have done that, then just import those. Now we just want to get the skeleton, which is a ski mannequin arm skeleton, like this. Import. Okay. Now let's check if those animations work. This is the choke animation that I created. This is the idle. From this perspective you can't actually see it that much, but yeah. Now we can actually create an blueprint. So animation blueprint. Let's select the skeleton that we're using, ski mannequin arms. I will call it app underscore fps underscore player, but you can call it whatever you want. This is for me. And now I'll open this one and I'll go to the event graph. Now I want to actually create a function. I will call it casts. And from here I want to cast to first person character like this. And from here we want to get a player character like this. Now realign this. And from here we want to promote it to a variable like this. This is all good for now. Now we want to create a begin play. And we want to get this cast, connect it to there. Then to the update animation. And this, if you didn't know, this is like event tick, but on the animation blueprint. Okay. Now we'll connect here also, like this. And then we can actually start adding some variables. We want to actually get the SPP first person character like this. Now we want to first get the weapon index. Weapon index, it should be here on the bottom. Get weapon index like this. Now we want to set it, promote it to a variable called weapon index like this. Now from here we also want to get is alias, get is alias, and we also want to promote this to a variable like this. And the next thing we need, I will get this again. And character movement. Get character movement like this. I will move it a little bit here. And now from the get character movement, we want to get the velocity, which is here at the bottom. And we want to get the vector length x, y. If we get this normal, we will get speed from the all directions. We will also get the speed value from the set axis, like if we're jumping and stuff like that. So we can, we want to get this, or also we can get vector length. Oh, not get vector length is normal. This is the same thing, but we. Oh, you can do it that way. Okay, sorry about that. I forgot that. Then we want to promote this to a variable, connect it, and we will call it, or at least I will call it, ground speed. Okay, because it is only from the x and y axis. Now we can go to the aning graph, And here starts the fun part. Now we have to, let's add a default slot. This is the slot that plays the anime montages. We don't yet need those, but later then when we add the reload animations and switching animations and stuff like that, then we do need this. Okay. Now we want to create a new state machine, and I will call this Locomotion. Now we want to get from here and save catched pose, and I will call this also. I will call it actually loco or something like that. Now we want to get this loco. Okay. This just makes. Now it doesn't yet make any sense that why did we do it like this, but later it will make sense. I will show you on the episodes that comes later. Okay. Now we actually have to open this, and we can create a new state. Let's call it idle. Okay. And from the idle, we want to create another state. But I don't know why my computer is lagging. I have RTX 3070, so it shouldn't be lagging this much on Unreal Engine. But yeah, let's change this to movement. Movement. And now we can start creating it. So let's go to the idle. And now we want to, oh, again, why does it do it? What the hell? Okay. Blend. Oh, what blend poses by integer int like this. Now we want to add a few pins. How can we do that? Oh, add blend pin. I will add like this much, like 3. And now we have to get the weapon indexed to here. Connect it there. And actually we're only using the weapon index 1 at this moment and the weapon index 2, but it's not working perfectly because we haven't set the slot for it for our player skeleton, so we can really spawn the mesh for it. But yeah, more about that later. So we are only using this blend pose 1, and we want to get the AR idle like this. Okay, I think this is all for now. Now let's go back to Locomotion, and here we want to get the ground speed and greater than 0. If it's greater than 0, so basically if we are moving, then it will go there, movement. And now I think I want to change this to 0.25. This is the time that it takes to change the animation to the state. So yeah. Now when we are here at the moment, we actually have to get the blend poses by int again. And now let's add a few more of these pins. Again, I don't know why I'm doing this, but I don't know. Connect this weapon index to the here. And now from blend pose 1, we want to, oh, we actually cannot do that yet. Let's create a animation. Blend base 1D is here under the legacy. Let's select our skeleton, which should be arm skeleton like this. I will call this AR4 loco, something like that. Now we want to change this maximum value to I think maybe 500, and we don't want to set anything to here to smalling time. And now we want to get the choke here, to the 0. Where is it here? Okay, I will set it to 0, and rate scale for me is 0.2. Now we want to set it also to here, to 500, and rate scale for me is 1. And now what it does is when we are moving like 14, it moves like that, the animation. And if you're moving with the higher speed, it will look like it's jogging or running. Not running maybe, but you know. Okay, now we can save. And actually we can call this axis, we can change this to speed, so it's cleaner looking on the animation blueprint. Now we can get the AR4 logo and we can connect it to the blend pose 1. And now here is the speed, and we have to just connect this ground speed variable there. Oh, what did I do? Off. Now I will move this there. And I actually want to copy all this, so Control and C. Okay, now let's go back to Locomotion, and we want to create a new, what is this called, like transition there, and we want the transition rule to be ground speed, less than 0.1. You can put 0.01 or anything you want, but I will do it that way. It doesn't matter actually that much. So yeah, now we have idle and movement. We can actually, we have to still add those ADS states, because now if we go to play, I forgot to, we have to go to here, to our PP first person character, and to our hand smash to here. We have to use animation blueprint and app FPS player, like this one. Compile and save. Now I think it should work. It's lagging like hell. I don't know why. What the extra PP what? What is happening? Why was lagging that much? Okay, I will check this quickly. Now I think I know what is the problem. We have to go to the app FPS player and to the event graph. Now we want to move this even further, and after the cast we want to get this and check is valid, like this, and connect it to here. This should work. I don't know why we didn't need this, because we are checking casting from here also, but yeah, for some reason it doesn't work. Sometimes Unreal does some things that I don't understand, and the next time I'll do it the same way it works. I don't know why, but okay. Now let's play. Oh no, yeah. And actually you can see the animations also working. It looks pretty nice. You can use whatever animations that you want or create your own, but this is my base animation that I created. And I'm not good with the animations. This took me like, I don't know, 45 minutes, because I'm so bad with the animations. I recreated this like 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, I don't know. Now it's pretty okay. Yeah. Oh, but now if we don't add the ADS state, this looks like shit. And also if you're moving and ADSing and not moving, we cannot aim, we cannot see shit. Okay, so we have to fix this. Okay, and that we can do by going to the back here, and we want to create a new state called alias, of course, and another state alias actually. So you have to click this state alias, not the state. Okay. And now from the state alias, we want to connect to here, and we want to call this to alias. The state alias is just a state that represents other states. So if we click from here, idle and movement, it means we can go from the idle and from the movement to here, and we don't have to do these pins and every transition rule for everything. We can use the same rules, or actually you cannot use rules from here, but you don't have to, because this is basically this one. This is just like shortcut for it, so we can create a one rule. Okay. I don't know. I'm really bad with explaining things. Okay. Now to here we want to I think we just want to check is aliasing on this one and compile and save. Okay. And now we want to, here we can add anything, any animations, because this is like shortcut. Okay. Let's open this real estate, and to here we actually want to copy all these from the movement, because we're going to use the same. And now let's go to alias. Let's use the same thing. And now we just have to change this not looping and play rate 0. So it's like post one from the same animation as here. Okay. So the next thing is we have to create a rule to here. And the rule will be simple as is aliasing, not boolean, like this. I think this should be it. Yes, I'm pretty sure. Let's compile and save. Now when we try the movement, now you can see when we added those rotation things on the last episode, you can see it when we're moving. Looks like we're leaning towards the direction a little bit or something like that. You can see it looks so much better than without them. And I actually haven't seen many videos on YouTube that have teach people that how to do this. Okay, this looks pretty good. And now if you're aliasing, oh, I forgot one thing. Okay, we have to go back. One thing we have to do, because now our ADS timeline speed is like how much, like 0.15. Let's check. Let's check how much is it. Where is it? ADS. This one. This time this is like 0.15. So 0.15. So we have to make this transition rule actually not. Oh yeah. This one we have to make this even smaller. It always has to be smaller or it glitches out. So let's put 0.05. I don't think we ever give any weapon ADS speed lower or time lower than this. Okay, 0.05. Now let's check again. Now it should work. Okay, everything works pretty nice. When we jump, now it's always in the middle. Okay, everything looks pretty good. We already have a pretty good FPS system here. This actually looks so good. So nice. All those sways and stuff like that. Oh, so nice. But yeah, I think this is all for this video. And I don't know what we are going to do on the next one, but I'll figure something out. So yeah, if you liked the video, please click the like button and subscribe if you want. And yeah, see you on the next one. So yeah, bye.